Welcome back to Project Chief. It's day 11 and stand by for our update.
What you're gonna see soon is a time lapse of us finishing up our posts, putting in our last little rafters, and hopefully here putting the eave on this one side of the house here. So, enjoy.
Also, we're both distracted by the squirrels in the woods.
ADHD's real.
It's
Enjoy.
not, you're addicted to your cell phone, but that's okay as long as you're watching our YouTube channel. Like and subscribe.
Okay, I'm gonna make that work somehow.
Somewhere, somehow.
There's another thing. Andy's going into the trailer. Now let's see what he could be doing in here.
I'm getting everybody water.
Oh, that is nice of you. He's such a nice man.
Wow, it's almost like I knew you're going to be trying to pull something shady. This, my yarmulke hat.
We are finished framing. Now we're finally gonna start sheeting in this place. Starting this. Our window openings.
Day 11. We're framed in.
We're done with framing. We have all of our eaves on. We have all of our fascia boards on. And as you can see, we're sitting in it. Our windows are boxed in.
Boxed in, baby.
So now you can kind of see how thick this wall's gonna be because you have that double wall with a little extra bonus space in between them.
And with that, if you ever think you would get a rebound on John, he'll box you out.
I actually didn't hear a word Andy just said. All I heard was him say about me being a boxer.
That's not what I said. That's the best.
I got some bad allergies going on right now. But I appreciate you all out there in YouTubeverse, on the interwebs,
Watching us.
thinking about us, hopefully praying for us, because we need it.
We certainly need it. Also, reference to the man who cannot be named really helped us out. Our hangers are all hung.
That's true. He did a lot. He put all of our blocking in at the end of all of our rafters and joists.
And then he continued to help us get the boxing in done as well. So you'll see him in there, and yeah, it's certainly appreciated.
I would blur his face up. I'm not that good with editing yet, so he'll have to deal with that part of it.
Yeah, if there's any ramifications, if you spot him and
know his name, then don't put it in the comments.
don't put it in the comment section. But you can, if you don't know him, put it your best guess in the comment section what his name is.
That's a good call out. It's interactiveness.
Yeah. Other than that, if there's something you would like to learn on this project that will be coming up as far as steps that you'd like to see us do a demonstration on or instruction video on, comment it as well.
That is great. Yes. Tell us what you want to hear about. Otherwise, we'll just keep talking.
We'll keep talking. The comedy will be about what this is, because this is not a skit. This is real life.
This is how Andy actually is.
This is how I am most of the time, unless I just have a good cry.
Okay. Like, subscribe, share.
Ring the bell.
Ring the bell. We'll catch you tomorrow.
Stay tuned. Day 11. Out. Oh, weird. Poop gun. I'm so pretty and silly and gay.
Wow, that was